I'm Vikramaditya and welcome to Chains of Tech. In this session, we are going to discuss about a very interesting concept of generative AI in SAP S4HANA. So, how are we going to make use of generative AI and how is it going to change the way we are doing the business? So, let's get started with the agenda. So, introducing the topic outline in the flow of session. So we'll just talk about the generative AI in general and relevance to SAP S4 HANA. Now, what exactly is generative AI? Generative AI refers to models that can generate text, images, code, or other data formats. Now, let me just once give you a normal, basic idea about generative AI. Let's say you ask the system to generate a image of a dog. What exactly the system tries to do is it tries to learn from the previous images that you have uploaded of the dog. It refers to all of them. You make the system learn and understand how exactly a dog looks like, and it tries to create one from all these images that it has learned. So that's what actually happens internally. So that's one example of generative AI. So, and what are the key principles that we have in generative AI? Uses machine learning techniques like transformers to understand and generate data. We've got GPT to text generation. We have DALI for image generation and others for various tasks. Business use cases are like content creation, automation, analysis, and decision support. So now to start off with the evolution of SAP, SAP has always been catching up with the trend. Now, anywhere anything new happens, and it's like if it's a revolution, it's going to happen. SAP is quick enough to catch it up, like from 1970s to till date. Now, what exactly is SAP S4HANA? SAP S4HANA is SAP's next generation ERP suite designed for real time business operations. Core capabilities include the finance, logistics, manufacturing, sales, procurement, and analysis. And other than that, we have a lot of other capabilities of enterprise challenges that we have, and it addresses almost every enterprise challenge that we probably might face. Digitally transforms enterprises with simplified processes and advanced analytics. So why generative AI in SAP? Automation. We've got generate reports, summaries, and automate routine tasks. Decision making, we can make use of AI for insights and recommendations to support decisions. User experience, natural language interfaces, and personalized dashboard enhanced adoptions we have. So if we look at the SAP Business AI, uh, we are going to make use of this generative AI in a lot of various places. Now we're going to come back. I'm going to give you an overview of this scenario, and then I'm going to come back to this image again at the last. So in the SAP S4 HANA, all these represents the intelligent collections that we have. So if we look at starting off with SAP extended warehouse management, in extended warehouse management, the generative AI can help us in slotting recommendations. SAP predictive replenishment optimization can be done. In SAP transport management, good receipt processing can be done. And then we have SAP digital assistant, where we can have a product documentation search. SAP Signavio process manager can have the process model generation documentation. SAP Analytics Cloud takes care of natural language queries can be done there. In the area of SAP success factors, skill and career path recommendations and job descriptions and interview questions generations can be done. So SAP digital assistance for CX, we have got this natural language marketing analytics, product description generation and review summaries. SAP business network, We can create an invoice conversion. We can make an invoice conversion. We can in the SAP Central Invoice Management, we can go ahead and do this general ledger line item identification. In SAP Ariba purchase or buying, we can go ahead with the product recommendations. SAP Digital Assistant for CX, we can go ahead with intelligent questions and answers. Customer 360-degree profile summary, scheduling assistant. We've got this SAP Intelligent Product Recommendations, configurable product quotations. SAP S4HANA, Sales Order Auto Completion. These are the things that we can do in various ways, and there are a lot of many other things that we can do using the AI. But we're going to just start off somewhere. So this is where we started, and I'm going to continue this series of generative AI being used in SAP in a very deep and detailed way. So do subscribe to our channel and catch up with me on coming sessions. Thank you. Have a great day.